Hey guys, today we're diving into one of my absolute favorite hairstyles, especially as we step into the new year. If you've been thinking it's time for a change, this might just be the hairstyle you need to shake things up. We're talking about the modern mullet. Let me tell you, I didn't even realize how cool this hairstyle could be until I came across J-Jo from the manga Windbreaker. That guy makes the modern mullet look absolutely insane. And then, boom, it felt like the mullet was everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, real life, you name it. So let's break it down. Okay, so who's this hairstyle actually for? If you've got straight to wavy hair, congrats. You're already ahead of the game. This style was practically made for you. Now, if you've got curly hair, don't click away just yet. It can work, but let's be real, it doesn't always hit the same. If your curls are super tight, I'd honestly recommend going with a classic taper or fade instead. Trust me, you'll look way sharper. Now, let's say you've got the right hair type and you're feeling the vibe. What do you tell your barber to get this done? Honestly, the easiest way, just show them pictures. Not one, not two, but multiple pictures from different angles. That way, there's no confusion and your barber knows exactly what you're going for. It's a pretty straightforward cut, so most barbers shouldn't have any trouble. The key here is making sure they nail the blend between the longer back and the shorter sides. That's where the magic of the modern mullet happens. Now, the cut is one thing, but styling, that's where you really make it your own. If you've got straight hair, you'll want to add some texture and movement so it doesn't fall flat. I recommend sea salt spray. Just spritz it into damp hair, scrunch it up a bit, and let it air dry, or hit it with a blow dryer for more volume. Another trick, use a matte clay while your hair is still damp. Brands like Hans de Foucault make great options. Apply it, scrunch your hair a little, and boom, instant waves and texture. If your hair's already thick and wavy, you don't need to do much. Just add a little pomade or hair oil to keep it sleek and under control. And hey, if shine's your thing, a good pomade will give you that polished finish. So why do I love the modern mullet so much? It's unique, it's versatile, and it's a head turner. Seriously, you can rock this at a party, on TikTok, or even at work if styled right. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to rocking a modern mullet. What do you guys think? Are you ready to try this out, or is there another hairstyle you've got your eye on? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more hairstyle tips and trends. Catch you in the next one.